Ahiabokiao, Edone water, Edone wari, Edone wisdom. What better than that? You threw my fefe, no work away in Risi. My way, Reo, my way, Sikoko, my way do Togedo, no get do get we, no get do a man, no get do a here, that event. He said, no de, my guacan, uku na twevedo, uku na twevedo, Managua a bear, unye, nigbe, no what cow, Otedo, and I'm even not Nagbiraba, but no, the Union will the Union will the Union will le, Gere now, a video. If you va ma una, if you va na to a manima, no cow, ma whoever na yagme do he, ma whoever na ya tie do he, in the man talona ya fair, you might even dagger even a yagmo he, in the talona, you might even dagger even a ya tie heavy be, my hair got war you, don't didn't, Levasiva, o head do a my be winner. Even Natana, Bangway, or pay down where you to market the lima. O Carino, Mandibumban head do, o Heckin man head do, a dobby I have one canning. Even never mouth on the Maran how I do. I got away we winning. I got tab wa, I got tab ego do, I got tab a book, o head do, a king market day, even the marking. What be that hole? I want to thank all who have come to view our presentation today. The other day we were dealing with the lineage greetings in Edo. Lineage greetings in Edo. And we call it in Edo language Okunatwe Vedo. And we learned a few things that day. First, we learned how to read Edo names. And we learned how to write Edo names. And that was very paramount to what we are trying to do. So we are using one stone to kill two birds. First, we are learning how to read and write Edo, little by little by little. Day by day, when we make this presentation, make it a point of duty to learn something about how to read and how to write Edo language. Secondly, by showing these things, we are teaching history, Edo history. These things happened hundreds of years ago, centuries ago. But now they've been handed down to us by our forefathers, by our ancestors. They were handed down and handed down and handed down by way of tradition. Tradition. What we are given from our ancestors, from the generation that went before. Tradition, tradideo I receive. So, two things we are learning at the same time. So all of us should be very careful to make sure we get these two things. We learn history, about where we're coming from, about who we are, about where we belong, about how we came to be where we are now. They are important. Okay, do get you. If you do your fair, what you cook back, now walk I do. If you ever did it, I tell you, my Torima. Okay, did my way, my soul, that there's a ye. I give you of your bow with you. If you have your bow with you. Eh, now, my auntie, Okuna to do. It be my eight as a Nakau, no de. Babana. Ko walk ba my hair be kita na get to ori gbe na ta no de do wa dege o ku na to be do egbe uni no ka o uni ogi so na de ye to a de lai so I will lai so yogi so ya to lai so I fi afi kama I be do ya tan a una ta ologo ana fi kama de lai so I fi kama we lai so Uniaga a byweka, where gua, on your lao mogun, Mogun ba. Ya fie kama oye lamogun. Lamogun. Unyo gbede uyo. Iya se ohene. La obieze. Obieze no zuwa. La bieze. Egbe oliha. La ogele. La gele. Egbe idohen. La otose. La tose. Egbe izomo. La ogiesan. La giesan. Egbe ero uni ero. La mosun. La mosun. Uni okao nugoton. La emehi. La mehi. Oloton. La emehi. La mehi. Obazu aye. La emehi. La mehi. Ibani ma ita se no de. Bamba ni ama le ke do gbogi owo ta obungbe o. Apon so lo ba we uni ore do e na setin ka. Eri ma buyo de. He said, okay, I just rehearsed the ones we learned before, how to pronounce them. Now we are moving forward from number 11 on today. Let's see the lineage. As we do this, find out the lineage that you belong. Ask your parents which lineage you belong. So you will see it on this list. All right. Number 11, we come to the lineage of Ogiamien, the great Lyre, Ogiamien family, Ogiamien lineage. Egbe owe unyowe Ogiamien, unyo Ogiamien, yan otu Lyre. I feel kama we Lyre. Egbe owe eholo ni Lyre, every know. Lyre. Oni eholo ni enogi ute Laigite. Eholo ni geduma Laigite. Elema lagba oni rien gbe. Ogiefa Laidu. Ine nigun Lining. He said, Nutekon. Here you said, and here you see. He said, Nutekon. Lining. Enoge Ugoneki. Lakun. Ologbo sere. Lakun. Osa. Likey. Yes, yesterday we started at 10. Today we start with 11. So these are lineages in Benin. When you see people, they belong to these lineages, this is what they agree. The Ogiamien lineage or family. Lyre. Eholo niye. That is to say, there's more than one Eholo. This is Eholo niye. Lyre. Enogie ute, the chief of the village, ute. Laigite. Eholo ni Geduma, you see now another Eholo. Eholo ni Geduma of Geduma. Laigite. Elema lagba. Ogiefa Laidu. Ine nigun. You see? Ine nigun. Lining. He said Nutekon. I believe this is supposed to be he said Nutekon. Lining. Enoge Ugoneki. Ugo. There are different villages of Ugo. There is one called Ugoneki, Ugo, where you have the market. Okay? Enoge of that place, Ugoneki. Laokun. Ologbo Sere, the warrior, the great soldier. Ologbo Sere, Laokun. Lakun, Osa, Laiki, Laiki. If you belong to any of this lineage, you better clap for yourself. And thank God for yourself. Thank God for your lineage. We're moving on because we have a long way to go. Okay? Mami lawi ho. Okay? Enogie ugoni ye korion. Mami agbendo he. Enogie ugo ni ye korion. Okay? Labo. Ni awa tu e labo. Me ma re labo e no. Bien. Osuan. Labo. Osanugba idun ebo. Labo. Edogun laige wan. Iya senudo laige wan. Oh. Ohen so wuwe sopomba. Ohen so noruwe sopomba. Mami sopomba, sakpomba, sopomba. Maga wo no e mata no maga wo obi edo ohen ati sopomba, upe sopomba, upo sopomba. Sakpomba. Oni edo sakpomba. Upo sopomba. Dege oba wa kwa wa we ge gbera edo ana gedede. Ikini antiri. Oh. No ge do daylight so. Daylight so. Light so. Edo ge aho. Daylight so. Light so. Edo ge ute. Daylight so. Light so. Luwa ute ekede koko kere no do akube gwaba. Nana ka be koko no dole wan so. Ona we ni so no de ni ave so na. Wa na mi o. Eno ge idunga. Daylight so. Light so. Isenu tekon. Ona ka ataban. Ugana ki o isenu tekon. La oyerubi. Anta. Ige hon nibi we. La oyerubi. Iya se nu selu. Oh. La oyede. Olu awure nu sen. De la he. Mami wata he. Dao. Olu awure nu sen. Ema ni ba wata we lawure, lawure. Olu awure nu sen. Ere na agbebe na ikaka botia obiwe usen. Na ti ayo no bi ohun eso yi. Yo man we olu awure nu sen lawure. Olu awure nu sen. De la he. Olokun. De lagun. Isiemia o. Latose. Okangide. De laken. Umodu. Lamodu. Emezi wifo guise. Oh. Semena. La emezi. Ate ni won. Yaba anaredo. Oh.